Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got now is a drink to get your night started, right? So you worked all day, but you finna go out or you want to be up for a while, right? You want some energy, right? So what we're gonna do today is a drink called a Nightcap. It is a rum and tonic drink with a caffeine kick from either cold brew or brew your own coffee. We're gonna go brew our own. So first, 2 ounces of rum. I'm using our local reef rum. It's a tropical rum, so it's very, very flavorful. I'm gonna go 2 ounces. We need 2 ounces of coffee. We need a half an ounce of grade A maple syrup. Until I started doing this stuff, I never knew there was a thing of that. But grade A is a more darker maple syrup. We just need half an ounce. Next, we just want 1 dash of the Angostura bitter. Just 1 dash. We're going to give this a good stir. Actually, we're going to stir it with a little ice because the coffee was still warm. So let's cool this off a little bit before we put it in our highball glass. So we're going to strain it in a highball glass. Leave a little room because we're going to top it with tonic. It is a rum and tonic. Just give it a little stir. There you have it, guys. A nightcap. Or really a day cap. Because this is going to get the rest of your night started. Cheers. Maybe because I love coffee a lot. But I can see this is what you get when you're finna leave for after dinner. And you have other stuff going on afterwards. You get you 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. It's better than Red Bull. I'm very surprised on how much I honestly love this. Maybe because it's the coffee. It has to be the coffee. And a good rum. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, guys. Thank you.